Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Charlotte and this is the daily where we talk all things skincare, fashion, fitness, and nutrition for women over 40. As you know, I do a lot of hauls on my channel, and about 3 months ago, I subscribed to a subscription box called Trendsend. So, in the midst of planning my other videos, what arrives on my front porch? Another Trendsend. And I have to stop what I'm doing because I know you guys want to see, just like I do, what's in the box. And it was fantastic last time. So if it's anything like last time, I'm really excited about it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you join this community of women here. We have a lot of fun. Like this video if you like it, and also hit that bell notification so anytime I post, you are aware of it and you can watch my video. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox. I'm gonna show you guys up close all the pieces, and I will tell you how much they cost and who they're by, and then I will do a try on for you. At the end of the video, in my description box, I will list and link all of the items that I showed you. And if you do want to try this subscription service, you can go ahead and click through my link, and I get a little bit of a discount on my next order. You get a bit of a discount. So without further ado, let's get going on this haul. First piece that it shows me here is Parker Long Short. It's called Swap Meet size 25 by A. Goldie, and they're $102.40. So these are a little bit of a longer style, which I can really appreciate. They're distressed, and I do love the wash on these. They're really pretty. I'm excited to try these on, but I have to tell you right now, I think $102.40 is just a little steep for some cutoff shorts. The next thing is a Mara Utility Jumpsuit Black Extra Small, and it's by Allison Joy, and it's $94.40. So this is black. It does have a little bit of a scoop neck here that buttons all the way up from the waist up, 2 pockets, and it feels, it's kind of silky in a way. It does have an elastic band around the waist, and the back side looks like it has 2 pockets. The bottom, this is cute. This is different. The bottom is cuffed, and these cuffs are pinned. So that's really cute. I'm excited to try that on. I have a jumpsuit that is similar to this that I bought from Target. It really is kind of a different jumpsuit altogether. I guess the only thing it has in common is they're both black. And the material is a little bit similar, so we'll see. The next thing they sent me was a Sleep in the Sun white and black tee, and it is size small. It's by Chaser, and it's $15.99. So Sleep in the Sun, toes in the sand. Does that mean that I have to wear it to bed? Seems like a pretty decent t-shirt. I don't know if I told you this, but my last box, I actually, I didn't keep the t-shirt they sent me. I really love the fit. Jumped on their website, and they actually had a sale going, and I was able to purchase that same t-shirt for $40 instead of $50. This price seems right, as long as it's not a pajama shirt. It was marked down, so it was from $62 to $49.99, $39.99, $19.99, and now it is $15.99. Do they just do that on purpose? Do they just show me all the, like, they have the tag here, and then they're showing me all the markdowns? See how they're doing that with that red pen? How they kind of like mark the prices out? Does it seem more desirable if it feels like it's on sale? This little t-shirt looks really, really cute. This is right up my alley. So this here is a rock and roll tank. It's black and it's in a small. It's by Chaser, $39.99. And I think the style is really cute. That's also marked way down. It was $62 and then $49 and now $39. So that seems kind of cute. It seems like it's got a little bit of a detailing, maybe a dolphin cut at the bottom here. So it goes in the front and the back. I always like that cut. The underarm looks really, really long, so you'd probably have to wear some kind of a camisole underneath that, but we will see. Here's a denim jacket. It's called Maxine Denim Jacket Revolver. It's a size small and it's by Level 99 and it's $79.99. That looks pretty cute. So we'll see what that is all about in just a minute. The last thing they sent me was this skirt. And if it's anything like that other skirt they sent me the last time, I really liked that one. This is by Sundry, and it's called Saturday Skirt, black, size 0, and it's $54.40. So this is really cute, you guys. I like this. I like this style of skirt a lot, and it does look like it has more of that dolphin cut here on the sides. And the drawstring is really cool. It's kind of like that corded drawstring, you know, really cute, and it cinches the waist. There's elastic up here. These are interchangeable items, but I think I'm gonna try the skirt on with the t-shirt. I think I'm gonna try the shorts on with the Heart rock and roll tank top. And then I think I'll try the jean jacket on with this. And that's how I think we'll do it. So get ready, let's go. So this is the first outfit, and I honestly thought that a little more of the bra would be showing than it is. There is a little bit of bra showing here. You could definitely wear a black bra or a camisole, but it's not like, I thought they'd be a little bit lower. I suppose if you had different measurements, it would be a little bit lower. So I will list and link my measurements in the description box, but the top is really cute. I really love the print on it. I think that's really cute. And the neckline is nice because it's not too close to my neck. It is a crew neck, but it's a relaxed crew neck. And like I said, you'd probably want to wear some kind of a darker bra here or a camisole with this. It's not too long, and I probably wouldn't pair it with these shorts, but if I did, I would front tuck it. So I want to show you the shorts here. Yeah, I am not a fan of these shorts. What do you guys think? Well, especially for the price, it's really not like debatable at this point. Like, I don't like the shape, and I'm not really a high-waisted girl, and I really think you're supposed to kind of hike these up even further, and it's just not really my thing. So good thing, because they're a little bit too expensive as far as I'm concerned. $102 for a pair of shorts is just a little out of my spending range when it comes to shorts, especially these type of shorts, because I've got so many from Walmart that it's really hard for me to think about spending this kind of money on shorts that are just not really that great, in my opinion. So what do you guys think of these shorts? Well, I'm not going to keep them regardless, but I do want to know what you guys think of how expensive they are, and if you think that this style is cute. You know what I mean? Now, if you were really long-waisted, these might really work out for you. But I'm on the verge of being short-waisted, so I always like kind of a mid-rise jean, and these to me are just not, you know, not very flattering. I feel like they swallow me up. Do you know what I mean? The shirt's cute. Tell me what you think of the shirt. If you would keep it, you know, it would be cute like this as well. Not with these shorts, but yeah. So that's the first outfit. Now I like this. This is my kind of outfit, but I'd love to know what you guys think. So this skirt is by Sundry. I think it was the same company as the last skirt in the last box. It kind of has a similar cut. It does have that kind of dolphin cut right through here. Feels really, really soft. It's kind of like that kind of soft jersey material, and then I love this roped, or this kind of like a corded drawstring. I think that's really, really pretty and different. And then this top, their t-shirts just fit like a dream, honestly. So I mean, the price is right for sure. This is under $17, and I do think that it is very flattering. I love the way this t-shirt fits. Not to mention, it's super thin and it's super lightweight. It just feels really airy and fresh and nice. And I think that it goes really, really nice with this skirt. The black skirt, it's got 2 pockets, really, really soft. I think the length on it is great on me. It's I'm 5'5" and I do have this on with a pair of slides, but you know, tennis shoes would look great with this too. Just simple and getting all my errands done, and feeling a little, trendy. I think it's really cute. I'd probably have to say that I like the t-shirt the best, and then the skirt. So far, this is what I like. So now it's under $17. I really think that you can't beat the price, and I love the fit. So the price is just a bonus, right? You've got to love the item. It's not just buy it because it's on sale. Have you ever gone and picked something up just because you think it's just too good of a deal to pass up? And I think that basically I can't do that anymore. I have to really love the item, and then if it's on sale, that's a bonus. This is a cute outfit, you guys. I do like the cut. It's really cute. I don't think it comes too close to my neck, and it does button all the way to the waistline. Kind of baggy here and then baggy here, and it cinches in the waist. That's really cute. I think it's flattering. So it has 2 pockets, almost on the verge of being too small, folks. But let me show you the back side of it. You could wear these with, the espadrille wedges, but I have it on with flats. I think it's really cute, and I think the cuffs on the bottom are definitely cute. So I like that about it. I think that it feels a little restricting. So it was a little bit, I really questioned whether or not I was gonna get the pulling going on here, but since it has like this over flap, there's like a little flap that goes over the buttons, and I feel like it kind of hides whatever pulling there would be. But it's definitely on the verge of being too tight up here. So this is an extra small, and it would fit a lot more comfortably. And this elastic here is it's very restrictive. I just feel like it's just not as comfortable as some of the kind of elastic waistbands. It almost has a job of cinching you in. Do you know what I'm saying? So it almost feels like that's what its job is. So it's a little restrictive. If you like that kind of thing, this would probably be a cute outfit. I don't know that I would keep this in this size. Now, I love the cut. Like I said, I think it's cute. I think it really looks very classy. You could wear this to dinner. You could wear it to the office. Very versatile. So I would be curious to see what you guys think about this. If I did keep something like this, I would have to size up. The other thing I want to show you is this jacket that they sent me. It's stretchy, so it feels nice and comfortable. Now the style is there. I just feel like things fit me better in the last haul. You know what I mean? So this jacket's nice, but nothing that knocks my socks off. This one's probably going back. I'm not in need of another jean jacket. Okay. Well, that's the end of my haul. I know that seemed short, in comparison to some of my Walmart videos, but they did send me 6 pieces this time. Tell me what you guys think. If you think anything looked really good, or if you think that I should send everything back. Sometimes I'm surprised by your comments. I'm not seeing what you're seeing, so sometimes I kind of consider after you tell me, like the pants. For instance, last time there were some jeans that, a lot of you said those jeans, you got to keep those jeans. $9, you guys. So I really do like your guys' opinions. So I'm going to be putting together a couple more videos here. I'm going to get to work on those, but I hope you like this video, you guys. I'm going to keep going with the Trendsend. I feel like they've been pretty good so far. I think they have quality pieces and certainly have potential. I certainly love some of the things that they picked out for me, and it always kind of makes you step out of your comfort zone when it comes to different clothing that you might not pick on your own. So it's always nice. So remember that I have everything. If you want to try this subscription box, check out my link in my description box. So if you do want to shop these items for yourself, they will be listed and linked. And of course, I always enjoy you guys. I always love hearing from you. So make sure you comment below on whatever your opinion is on them, okay? And until my next video, God bless you guys. Have a wonderful day.